VeraJaneJewelry.com is a truly exceptional jewelry brand that leaves a lasting impression through its elegance, refinement, and clearly thoughtful approach to design. From the first glance at the collection, it's obvious that every piece is created with a deep appreciation for beauty, balance, and timeless style, making the jewelry feel both modern and enduring. Each design carries a sense of sophistication that effortlessly enhances everyday outfits while also feeling special enough for meaningful occasions. Whether it's a celebration, a milestone, or a simple moment of self-expression, the craftsmanship stands out in the fine details. The smooth finishes, graceful shapes, and subtle sparkle all come together to create pieces that feel luxurious without being overdone. What makes Vera Jane Jewelry especially memorable is the emotional quality of the designs. They don't feel mass-produced or generic, but rather carefully curated to reflect individuality, confidence, and femininity. The jewelry feels lightweight yet substantial, offering comfort for all day wear while maintaining a premium, high-quality presence that you can truly feel when wearing it. Browsing the website is an enjoyable experience in itself, with beautifully presented products that allow you to fully appreciate the artistry and design behind each piece, making the shopping process feel calm, inspiring, and trustworthy. Vera Jane Jewelry excels at striking the perfect balance between minimal elegance and eye-catching detail, ensuring that each item feels versatile, wearable, and endlessly stylish. The pieces have a way of becoming personal favorites, the kind you instinctively reach for again and again because they make you feel polished, confident, and put together. Whether you're gifting someone you care about or treating yourself to something meaningful, Vera Jane Jewelry.com offers jewelry that feels heartfelt, intentional, and truly special. Overall, the brand embodies understated luxury, quality craftsmanship, and genuine charm, making it a standout choice for anyone who appreciates jewelry that tells a story, enhances personal style, and remains beautiful over time.